Hi guys, so welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video I'm very happy because I'm going to be showing you guys my first paycheck from TikTok. A lot of people have been talking about my first check on YouTube, my first check from Facebook. It's hard for you to see somebody say my first paycheck from TikTok right here in Nigeria. And that is what I want to do today because I just made some money from TikTok and I feel like I have to share how I actually made that money in this particular video. As you all know, TikTok is a very big platform, especially in 2025, and there are a lot of people making money on TikTok in different ways. But the truth is that Nigeria is one of those countries that is not being allowed to monetize your content on TikTok. Let me explain. Nigeria is not part of the country that is included in the TikTok creator program or TikTok partner program. But even with that, there is still different monetization opportunities on TikTok, and I'm going to be sharing them in this particular video today. And there's a particular monetization opportunity I found on TikTok recently that I feel like talking about it in this particular video, so just stay with me. If you are seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. I share different updates, I dey gossip well. If you want to get more updates from me, do what to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. Alright, I just had to do that. So first of all, let's take a look at the different monetization options we have on TikTok, and I'm going to tell you the one that actually paid me and how you can actually use it to make some money for yourself. For you to even start anything monetization on TikTok, you have to have TikTok. It's really hard to see a Nigerian without TikTok on their phone, except they are not using a smartphone. The second thing is for you to actually create an account on TikTok. Now, I heard a lot of people saying that you don't create a Nigerian account, create a UK account. Yes, UK account is very good. Yes, that is true. Even with your Nigerian account, you can still make money from TikTok. The next thing is for you to start creating content. Oh yeah, this is where the problem is, because there are a lot of people that don't like creating content and they don't really have that time. Some people love to, they don't have the time. This is actually because if you don't have content and you don't have up to 1,000 followers, there are a lot of these monetization opportunities that you will not be able to access. You can promote your page on TikTok through TikTok ads, even if you don't want to be doing content. So once you promote your page and you get up to 1,000 followers or 2,000 followers, from there you can start accessing different monetization options. But let me show you some of them that are actually available right here. Go to TikTok Studio. I'm going to actually use this account, for example. So I'm going to come here and click on TikTok Studio right here. If I click on View All, and you're going to see some of the available monetization options. Now, what I'm seeing here is just 3. What is subscription? Subscription is when you create a premium content on TikTok. For example, you can create like a course or a secret video or premium content for your loyal fans, and they actually subscribe to your community, and every single month you can make money from that particular method. I know a lot of people on TikTok that are making money from TikTok subscriptions. This one is work with artists. It's you using people's songs on TikTok. You use their songs, you reuse their songs, and if the more likes you have in that particular video, TikTok actually rewards you. Most of these dancers on TikTok, they are making a lot of money because they are using people's songs. They play the songs and they dance with it, and they make money from that. And the next one right here is live rewards. If I click on that, this one is when you go live on TikTok and people actually gift you gift. You understand? So when people gift you gifts, and you can make money with this. People make thousands of dollars just with this live reward. It's very important. Live gift, you can see. So they say discover a live gift in Gift Hub, and you can see they say open Gift Hub. There's another one right here they call video gifting. This one is when people decide to appreciate you for your content. Maybe they watched your video, they like it, they felt happy with your content, and they click on gift. They gift you, understand, for your video. Now there's another one here they call services. These services is you actually rendering a service on TikTok. This one is TikTok personal monetization. You can also make money from TikTok external monetization. Let me explain. If you choose to become a content creator and you build a loyal community. Number one, you can become an affiliate marketer. You make money with TikTok affiliate marketing. Partner with brands. You make money from brands. Brands can actually sponsor you. And number three, you can actually decide to sell your own personal product on TikTok, and you can actually monetize your community. Use that to make money for yourself. And also, there are a lot of other ways you can actually monetize TikTok right here to make money. That is for external. Like you can actually become a TikTok ad vendor, can run ads on TikTok for people and you still make money for your service. You can decide to connect a TikTok shop. You understand? Connect TikTok shop, sell on TikTok shop. Yeah, a lot of monetization opportunities on TikTok apart from their creator partner program. The monetization opportunity that actually paid me the money I withdraw from TikTok right here is actually called live gifting. Now, for example, if I click on this, you can see they say, "Hi Solid Pictures TV, you are at stage 21 of your live journey." Now, I just started coming live on TikTok recently, and I don't really know how to do this stuff as well as most people do. There's some people that are actually professionals in TikTok live session. I am not really a professional in that. So how much did TikTok pay me? I withdraw this money from TikTok and I receive it in the space of 3 minutes. Let's check it out. Let's check how much I withdraw. My first paycheck from TikTok is actually $2.66. This is actually funny. $2.66, and I withdraw this money from TikTok to my PayPal account. They sent the money into my PayPal account. All these people that are going live on TikTok, they can actually withdraw money daily from their TikTok account. I never knew that. Once they go live, they make their money that same day. If they feel like we're removing it, they'll just click on withdraw and they'll remove their money, and TikTok will send their money to them instantly into their account, either their bank account or their PayPal account or any available account they actually provide for this particular process. I told you guys that I actually discovered a TikTok monetization option that I never knew actually existed. Weekly mission rewards added. I was surprised. I received a notification from TikTok. They say they added some money to my wallet. I say, why? Weekly mission rewards. Now, what is weekly mission reward? This is when you are consistent in going live on TikTok, and TikTok actually rewards your effort. They send the money to your account every Monday. Guys, that's how this actually works. Now, the next thing I actually want to show you, I know most of you will ask me, how can I add up my account details on TikTok? So let me show you how you can do that. So the first thing, you have to come to your dashboard. You click on balance, they'll bring you right here. Just click on the view balance right here. Come here, click on monthly earnings, and just come here, click on this wallet icon at the top right corner. And once you click on that wallet icon, it's actually loading. You can see they say payment method and identification. So you can see I have actually verified everything. So let me click on edit. If I click on edit, it's actually loading. Another option, they say you should add account for you to withdraw money. That is how you add up your account details to withdraw. First of all, you have to have a dollar account. So go to your bank and actually collect a dollar account from your bank. These are some of the methods you can use to make money on TikTok, apart from the direct video monetization. So if you're from Nigeria, these are the perfect ways to make money. Apart from this, don't allow anybody deceive you. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think this actually worth it? Does it really worth it? Remember, people are making good money on TikTok. Anyways, do have a lovely day and bye for now.